A true passive income is the best income source when you invest your time and money in something that will continue to provide revenue even after you stop actively doing the effort. Let's explore 7 ways to generate passive income sources in Canada. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make content that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which of course will be highly appreciated. A passive income comes from sources other than being an employee, where rather than actively working, income keeps coming in. You can create passive income stream by investing in time, money, or some sort of combination of both of them. In a typical case, income generated by initial investment rather than actively working for it falls in this category. Take the case when you earn interest on your savings account, renting out real estate, getting dividends from stocks that you own, and even cashbacks on your credit card are examples of passive investing. For sure, you have to pay taxes on your profits from such revenue streams, but you can even deduct passive loss like you are allowed in any business. GICs are low risk investments which pay fixed interest over a predetermined length of time. That is why they are one of the simplest methods to generate passive income. All major Canadian banks and credit unions do offer such accounts. While interest income may not be as great like other income sources, but it is a simple and safe method to supplement what you already make. Another way could be having a high interest account, which is also available at all major banks in Canada. A Robo Advisor is a website that invests your money in a diverse portfolio of equities and bonds. It's a hands-off approach to investing, as this platform maintains your portfolio while rebalancing it automatically when needed. I believe this can be a popular passive income alternative for investors who wish to have an exposure in stock market but lack time and skill set to manage their own portfolio. Dividend stocks are those that pay out a portion of their earnings in the form of dividends to their shareholders. Usually, a dividend paying stock generates passive income in the form of regular dividend payment. These are often solid and established companies that have a long and consistent track record of paying dividends to their shareholders, which means they are relatively less risky, yet some sort of predictable income coming in regularly. A real estate investment trust, also called as REIT, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income generating real estate. By investing in REITs, an investor can earn passive income through rental income while enjoying long-term property appreciation during their ownership. In most cases, they are publicly traded on stock exchanges and you can buy them like normal stocks through a brokerage account. Dividend exchange traded funds are just like other ETFs, where the only difference is that they invest in a portfolio of dividend paying stocks. By nature, they are structured in a way to allow you to receive passive income through monthly dividend payments. They do offer diversity and possibly greater yields at much less risk than individual dividend paying stocks. So they can be an ideal investment for a risk adverse individual. There are other passive income opportunities for a common man now. Therefore, depending upon your choice, situation, or skill set, you can develop a consistent and secure source of passive income with a much lesser effort these days. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.